That is the hard, cold truth. What is up, guys? Welcome to Wrenchettes. I want to work on this beautiful D35, soon to be the Vaydor, or maybe not, but I have as well. Now today I'm gonna give you guys a little quick update about my financial woes and why the Vaydor is still not here after all this time. I'm going back first to the beginning. My channel's turning point, I would say, was when I made that video, the Vaydor versus the ACR Viper. Now after that, life hit hard, man. Like, to make the long story short, and not going into much details because that's another video, my financial went from here to like, and then COVID hit and that further like squashed me, man. However, I'm not the only one. A lot of companies have closed, have gone bankrupt, so I can't be that mad at myself. But however, I keep saying that I'm gonna get the Vaydor soon and soon and soon, and things just keep happening. Like, you know, life has hit me hard for some reason, and I believe it's a learning experience to what's coming, or to what I need to go through in order to get to here. You know what I'm saying? That is the truth. I have depleted all my funds for the Vaydor. I have no more funds for the Vaydor. The new company, Carolina Vaydor, has made it easier to get the Vaydor, which you can finance it. However, I applied, I got denied. That is the hard, cold truth. I am doing everything humanly possible to get the Vaydor. Now, if you want to stick by me through this journey, amen, I thank you for your loyalty. Now, if you don't, then it's okay, I understand completely. You will be back because I am gonna get the Vaydor at some point. I already have it in my brain. That is a goal of mine, and I will not stop until I get it. But that is it for this video. If you enjoy the type of content, please give me a like on this video. If you understand and you yourself are going through a financial woe, then give me a like on this video, and let's get this out, this woe together. Until next time, guys, God bless. Stay prayed up. Peace.